Hi everyone! In this channel, we have covered many topics of what makes a diamond beautiful and what to look out for when buying an engagement ring. We've covered the brilliance of a diamond and why cut is king over the 4 C's. We've also talked about the fire of a diamond, how it produces those large rainbow colorful flashes, and we showed the scintillation effect of a diamond, of what makes a diamond so mesmerizing when you see it up close. We've even demonstrated on how to use the ASET scope to evaluate the light performance of your diamond, which is one of the most important tools you'll ever need when buying one, and many other things related to the beauty of a diamond. But one thing that we have never mentioned is the true reality of how cut plays a major role in a real-life scenario. There are two most important things that most people don't realize in a real-life scenario, which is where the true value of cut of a diamond lies. Because many people tend to weigh the carat weight heavily over the other C's, while everything matters a lot, there are two scenarios of why finding the most symmetrical and highest light performing diamond is important. In scenario 1 is a real-life scenario of a viewing distance. We've already covered in most of our videos of how diamonds look like when looking up close, which is a real scenario when wearing your ring. However, one important aspect is wearing an engagement ring is to capture the attention of a viewer's eye. Both of these diamonds are 1.01 carat GVS1 diamonds. They have the same exact carat, color, and clarity grades. Both of these diamonds are GIA certified triple excellent diamonds, where the cut, polish, and symmetry are all graded excellent on the GIA certificate. Now this is an actual viewing distance when most people will be at an arm's length close up. Which diamond captivates your eyes? Or catches your attention quicker? Or rather, which diamond is more beautiful? If you guessed right, the diamond on the right is a super ideal cut. The diamond on the left is a GIA triple excellent diamond. In fact, many places would classify this as an ideal cut. It is a shallow cut diamond where it has a wider diameter of 6.52 mm. For comparison, the super ideal cut on the right has a diameter of 6.46 mm. But even though the diamond on the left is a visually larger diamond, it is not as eye-catching as the super ideal cut on the right. This is the same scenario again, but at a further distance of about 1 meter away, which is a very common distance in viewing another person's diamond ring. A diamond requires both combinations of large and small flashes to really captivate someone from afar. Larger flashes tends to be picked up by our eyes at further distances, while smaller sparkles tends to be picked up at closer distances. Hence, a well-balanced amount of both is required to truly put the owner at the center of attention. As you can see, the diamond on the right, although smaller in diameter, has both larger flashes of fire as well as higher scintillation. For those that don't know what scintillation means, it's the dance of rainbow flashes that you see, or the on and off effect of colors. This movement creates a mesmerizing and captivating effect that stands out from the crowd. When purchasing a diamond, always look for cut as a priority. The symmetry of a diamond plays an important role, especially when tilting your diamond. So always keep in mind, even a smaller diamond with the highest light performance can do the same. Finding a diamond with a picture-perfect ASET is rare. A true super ideal cut is definitely worth finding for. After all, an engagement ring is a once-in-a-lifetime purchase. A once-in-a-lifetime promise that allows her to stand out from the crowd. This is one scenario that a lot of people don't really realize. This is dirt, gruel, oil, dust that's picked up over wearing the diamond ring for a week. And this is what we call gruel, a mix of dust and oil. It tends to have this brownish or yellowish stain color underneath the diamond. Here is an example of a diamond with light leakages under the table. Now, in reality, a diamond with light leakages is something like this. Now, let's say it has brownish or like dirt stain underneath the diamond. What is going to happen this whole time is you're going to see through these light leakages, which is literally like a piece of glass. So at these dead zones, you literally see everything. So let's say, for example, like I have this brownish piece of paper here, and if I were to place it underneath the diamond like this, right, you'll notice you can see the brownish color under the diamond. This is because you're seeing through the diamond, and what you're going to see is the color underneath it. Right? Now, most people would not know about this unless they check it with the ASET scope. This is because when you buy a diamond and set it on a white gold setting, what you're going to do is you're going to see through these light leakages into the color of the white gold. So this white gold would camouflage all these problems. So let's say, for example, I have a silver piece of paper here, and I'm going to place it underneath the diamond. So this is going to mimic white gold. So you'll notice you don't get to see the brownish stain, and instead what you're seeing is the reflection of the silver underneath it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this diamond to a super ideal cut. Okay, so here is a super ideal cut, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the brown piece of paper underneath it as well. Okay, so you notice I'm putting the brown piece of paper underneath, but you don't get to see the color of it at all. This is because when the diamond has strong light return, what you're seeing is actually the light reflecting back out. These are two real-life scenarios that people tend to forget about over-optimizing carat over cut. Remember, get what's more beautiful and fitting for her and not feel pressured over the size. Take cut as your first priority and then match what size, color, and clarity that fits her finger profile the best. After all, a diamond is meant to be both bright, white, and the most sparkliest object in the room. Stay tuned for more education videos, or you can look at our past videos on how to use the ASET scope, which is the most important tool when finding a good diamond. Thank you for watching.